maintains a safe following distance. How do you know you're safe? You pick a stationary object, say this sign right here. Once the first car passes it, you start counting 1001, 1002, 1003. Drivers have a difficult time filling the brake, filling the gas. So the minimum following distance is 3 seconds. If you're closer than that, then you will end up tailgating and you could be in a dangerous situation. You will get a minus or you could get an error. Let's continue. Next, identifies and understands and responds appropriately to traffic control signs. What does this mean? You're not going to run a yellow light. If you can stop safely in 3 seconds, you should squeeze the brake. If you run yellow lights, 3 things. 1, you could fail automatically. 2, you could get hit. Or 3, you're traveling too slow. It's called a stale green light. You might see that on your DMV test, so I'm giving you some good test prep too. Let's continue. Demonstrates proper use of mirror checks before stopping and changing lanes. So let's pretend I'm driving. These are cars behind me. I have my center mirror. It's suggested. So when I'm driving, I can just look up. I have my left side mirror. Suggested, so I can just quickly look. My right side mirror. If I'm making a lane change to the left, it's mirror, turn signal, blind spot. You look. Right shoulder. You look. You have to demonstrate that to your road tester. You have to demonstrate that to your driving instructor. I'm very conscientious and I care about my students. I want to teach you and show you the right way to learn, to pass. Let's continue. Understands different vehicle capabilities. Efficiently shares the road. Okay, there's a big semi truck behind you. You're changing lanes. You're not hanging around that truck. You're not in the no zones. There are 4 no zones. Say this with me. Left side, right side, front of the truck, and behind the truck. Get out of no zones. In fact, I was coming home yesterday from the lab, and there was a huge semi truck. It was a double. So there are 2 trailers. They were from Indiana. So I found myself behind them. What I need to do is adjust my following distance. If you have to, you want to pass on the left.